In this video, I'm going to show you how to change budget start date in Origin Financial. Let's get started. At the moment, Origin Financial's budgeting system follows the standard calendar month automatically. That means every budget begins on the first day of the month and resets again at the end of the month. There is currently no direct setting available that lets you manually change the budget start date to a custom payday or personal billing cycle. However, there are a couple of workarounds you can use if you want your budget to feel more aligned with your own schedule. One option is manually adjusting transaction dates for certain income or expenses. For example, if a paycheck arrives at the very end of the month, but you want it counted toward the next budget cycle, you can edit that transaction date so it falls on the first day of the following month. So while the budget start date itself cannot be changed right now, this simple adjustment can help you organize your monthly planning much more effectively. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.